Hadin ka jingsha kem ki arngot ki basuba dan keti banpuri ya ki sakhi satar haka jingsha penyap Raja Raguvanshi ki pulit ka special investigation team kelayok kem biang sawai pat ubreu na indoor. Ya kane layathu daw sembut menteri rang ba Prestone tensong haka jinge keren berkilat thai kubor haka chan miet arplai terik juleu. Uba Prestone ulayathu ruba yakini ki breu ki pulit ke SIT kinwanra eki hasilong nak benta ben penlong e jing tokiet.
Going investigation into Sonam Raghuvanshi case.
Yes, the investigation is still on. I think you all are aware. I think you know better than me too, because I've already requested SP concerned to update the investigation. And right now, I think, as you are aware, that now the court has already granted judicial custody to all those five people, and now the investigation is still on. So let us wait and see. Again, another two and one more, which was just arrested. Again, maybe one more person. Three of them will be again transferred to Shillong for the detailed investigation.
Is the Logendra Tomar, is he the one, the third one?
Yes, he's one of them. Three of them are there. There are three of them. Of course, the detail I don't have, but three of them. So within a few days from now, they'll be brought to Shillong for further investigation, because it is found that they are linked to this killing of late Raja.
So it goes beyond the motive of love angle.
That we are yet to come to any conclusion. Let us see. From all angles, I'm not talking only for the love angle, but even beyond that. So right now I can't say anything. So let the investigation be completed, and once that is done, I think the truth will come out as it is.